this will run, and we have done it, it will run an 11-second pass. Hi guys, Fonzie here from GMM Motorsport Australia Speed. Got one of our favourites. It's a black edition actually, pretty rare, not too many around. They got the big flutes. Luckily our Ramjet 3 fits on. It was that's why these little pieces were actually put into the Ramjet 3. If anyone didn't know a bit about history, it's packed with all the right goodies. It's got our ASP leads on it. It's got our triple stepped headers on it, our CNC heads, which you'll just see down there, the logo, covered up a bit. It's also got our ST cam, which works perfectly with the automatic transmission. So yeah, this car is pretty good. It's a very good package where you don't want to change diff ratio or the converter, and it makes great power. So if you've got one of these, we'll show you what it can do in the dyno. We'll talk a bit more. Okay, what you can see, very impressive, 341 rear wheel kilowatts. These range from between 335 with this complete package to, maybe 341, 342, depending on the conditions. Tuned perfectly, as you can see. And you can see we're not just a shop that doesn't work on it. This was where we started, and then we were obviously doing ignition timing, torque management and everything else. So we didn't just start there, we consistently went through to optimize this for the car. We can get very close, but each car is a little bit individual, and that's what we've done. So basically guys, if you got one of these, this will run, and we have done it, it will run an 11-second pass. So if you've got one of these, that's without changing diff gears or stall converter. Just put on maybe a set of drag radials so it's consistent, but you don't have to put slicks or anything on, just basically a cheap drag radial. Put it on, don't even have to change the suspension, no diff gear changes, no converter changes. This package as is, it will run 11-second pass, maybe quarter a tank of fuel as well, so you haven't got too much weight in it. But if you got one and you want a good genuine package, it drives well, good manners, good fuel economy on the highway, stealth cam, CNC heads, Ramjet 3, triple step, only way to go.